Welcome to Funnily Enough. The secret of making money online is the combination of having a good product with a trending, irresistible offer, a quick delivery method, a professional sales funnel, and a recurring payment system. With these high-converting funnels, you'll get all this ready for you to start running your online business and make sales as soon as today. Today, we'll hand you everything you need to get started with a complete online digital marketing business, and all the tools you need. No need to buy more digital marketing tools, it's all included. Our results and the results you see below are not typical and will vary. We show you exactly how it's done. Dedicated server for each user ensures that your interface is running at the highest level of speed and productivity. Keep your mind in peace, having round-the-clock access to your real-time data with no delays or disruptions. Funnily Enough Review. Explode your Builderall sales. Funnily Enough is a game-changer for Builderall affiliates because it is a self-contained super funnel whose sole purpose is to get you new Builderall users and get those new users to become Tier 2 Builderall affiliates under you. Which means, you get paid when you sign up a new Builderall user, and you get paid when your new Builderall user becomes a pro affiliate and sells the system to new users. It's a win-win-win for everyone. Build your Builderall affiliate list and grow your business fast with a funnel that is designed for one thing: to make you recurring income as a Builderall affiliate. Funnily Enough easily downloads into your Builderall back office. You get a highly converting opt-in page and a great landing page. Leads are human, and the sales process is rarely linear. Often, people loop back to different stages in the sales cycle before they're ever ready to complete the sale. In other words, people need nurturing before they'll buy a product. As a marketer, you must understand their behaviors, their personalities, and their needs to convert them into paying customers.